Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about water propagation. This is one of the best methods to grow plants in no time. So there are a couple of tips and tricks when you water propagate your plant. First of all, you should change the water every couple of days because when the water gets tainted, it halts the rooting process of your cutting. So the basic science behind this is that water contains oxygen, which is important for the growth of plant. But after few days, this oxygen get depleted because it is being used by the plant. And when you replace the water, the fresh water renews the oxygen supply in the water for the cuttings. Secondly, your cuttings like to be in higher humidity. So misting your plants once in a day, it really helps. You can use a spray like this and spray them a little bit, or you can use a humidifier for your room. The third tip is to give them a warm environment, because if you put them in a cooler area, the plants or the cuttings will rot instead of rooting. Last but not the least, you should keep them in a shady area. Do not put them in the direct sun. As you can see, I put all my cuttings on this window or near this window where the direct sun does not come inside, so they don't get dehydrated. And moreover, they do get pretty good warmth over there. And I do mist them with water once a day and change the water in 2 days. And you can see the roots are growing like crazy in these plants. You can see the tulsi plant. The roots have started in just 10 days. This coleus had been in this water, in this bottle basically, for I think around 20 days. This is the jade plant. You can see new growth way here and a lot of roots in here. These are the tulsi or the basil cuttings, and the roots are coming out. And one of the great advantage of water propagating is you can keep a check on your cutting, whether how it's doing, if the roots are coming or not, or is it going to waste. If the roots are not coming and the cutting starts to rot, you can always get rid of it and put the new cutting in the water. Whereas in soil, you can't keep a check whether the roots are developing or not. So hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Happy gardening.